Let us discuss the topic of linear differential equation. What is the working rule here? Here the working rule is dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. Then we will find integrating factor. Its integrating factor and the formula is e raised to the power y के multiplication में जो लिखा होगा p dx and the solution will be yif is equal to integration qif dx plus c. This will be the solution. Let's take one example. dy upon dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x. In step 1, first of all, we will mention it as equation 1 and we will compare it with the general equation dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. On comparing it with general equation, we will get p is equal to 2 tan x and q is equal to sin x. Then in step 2 we will find its integrating factor and the formula is, as we know, e raised to the power integration p dx. e raised to the power integration p की वैल्यू है यहाँ पे 2 tan x dx. 2 बाहर कॉमन लेंगे, देन इंटीग्रेशन tan x dx. tan x का इंटीग्रेशन होगा log sec x. We will get e raised to the power 2 log sec x. e raised to the power log में अगर आगे कोई टर्म है then log sec x square. And we know it very well that if e raised to the power log something, then we will get is equal to that thing. e raised to the power log something, this is total is something. Let us suppose this is t. So e की power log t will be that thing, that means t. Then integrating factor will be sec square x. And the general solution will be yif is equal to integration qif dx plus c. y into if value sec square x. qif dx plus c. q value is sin x here, if sec square x dx plus c. sec square x 1 upon cos square x. 1 upon cos square x को सेग्रीगेट करेंगे, sin upon x 1 upon cos x, sin upon x tan x 1 upon cos x sec x. sec x tan x का इंटीग्रेशन ऑलवेज sec x होता है. देन sec स्क्वायर x को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे, sec स्क्वायर x sec x अपॉन sec स्क्वायर x प्लस c अपॉन sec x. c अपॉन इसे तो sec x से sec x कैंसिल आउट. c अपॉन sec x हमारा यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा है, इसको हम c डैश सपोज कर लेते हैं एंड वी विल सपोज इट एज c डैश इज इक्वल टू c अपॉन sec x. देन द रिक्वायर्ड सॉल्यूशन विल बी y इज इक्वल टू cos x प्लस c डैश.